Today is 21st June. We are celebrating Yoga Day. This day is celebrated to spread awareness about yoga and its benefits. This day was celebrated for the first time proposed by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in 2014. This day was celebrated for the first time on 21st June. We are celebrating Yoga Day. This day is celebrated every year with a new theme. Yoga is very important for our health. It is a kind of our exercise. Thank you.
Wishing you happy International Yoga Day. Okay, thank you. So, I'll give a little brief explanation about yoga. Yoga means what?
We'll get peace.
So, louder.
We'll get relaxed.
Of course, that's why we are telling that yoga means we will get relaxation. We will feel free. Along with that, yoga means exercises. Simple answer. What is that? Exercises. Asanas. Meditation. Is it? Along with all, it called as yoga.